Come with me, a single mother, as I journey with my daughter to another state and we start a new life to see what's in store for us. As y'all can see, it was early in the morning when we landed in Denver. We got up about 4 a.m. and the plane landed in Denver about 7:50, and then we ended up having to get back on that plane to go to Ontario. And yeah, we finally landed. As y'all can see, my daughter was extremely excited to be off the plane, as was I. Okay, what's up, y'all? So we just made it back to the house. We are officially in California, and I'm gonna let y'all see. So this is like the kitchen area. I'm kind of getting stuff taken out. There's nothing in the house yet. But yeah, we are down here. We moved, and yeah. So don't mind that I just got done opening up the TV. This is our room. We got the bathroom right here, and then this is my room. Something cute and cozy, y'all know. Something cute and cozy for the girls, but we're gonna decorate this upcoming weekend and get things looking how they should be. But for now, I just grabbed a few things that I feel like I will need tonight. I just grabbed a notebook and some pens for me and my daughter. She likes to draw, and I feel like I'll need to write some stuff down so I can remember what I need to do tomorrow. Got some alcohol, soap, lotion for my daughter, a shower curtain thing, paper plates, got some plastic cups, spoons and forks, dish soap. The shower liner, a can opener. This is what I'm gonna cook tonight. We don't have a refrigerator yet. We're gonna get that this weekend. Some salt, seasoned salt, trash bags, six-pack of noodles. And then this is what I'm cooking tonight, y'all. Y'all gonna see what that is. We gonna cook together. I'm gonna just put that under the sink. So this is what we got, y'all. This is what we got. Just some stuff we need immediately. We also got some pillows and blankets. But yeah, that's that on that. I do have a pot and pan set. And some, what's that called? Tissue. So that's everything that we got from Walmart. And right now, I'm just about to get the TV set up for my daughter so she can watch TV. And then for me, I'm about to get ready to put this food on. So y'all let me hook up the TV right quick, and I'll be back to y'all in just a second. So I don't really know what to call this, y'all, but I'm gonna explain what it is I'm making. It's basically like some chicken breast or some chicken tenders with a can of Rotel, your choice of seasonings, and a bottle of Italian ranch. Yes, and it makes the chicken so fire. Highly recommend. One of my favorite dishes. Really easy to make, and it keeps me away from like the grease and just fried foods. Easier baked food. Yeah, I enjoy this meal very much. And then the other thing that I put on was just a pot of southern green beans, and that was dinner. And as y'all can see, we slept good, we ate good. Yeah, I just put the TV on the floor for now, but yeah. What's up, y'all? So I don't know how long it's been since I checked in with y'all, but I literally placed a Walmart order. Walmart said that they attempted delivery, which they did not attempt the delivery. And then I just remembered I didn't lock my card back and somebody stole all of my EBT. Y'all, when I tell y'all I'm so sick right now about that, like I am like so sick. They literally took everything but $8 off my food stamp card. And the order that I just placed was just a small order to hold me and my daughter over just for today and hopefully for tomorrow. But yeah, somebody stole all my food stamps and I just cannot believe it. But I'm really just on here because I could let this situation just stop me in the midst of what I'm doing, which is starting a new life in a new state with just me and my daughter, you know, and no resources. But I can't do that, and I don't want to teach her to do that, because in life things are going to happen, things are going to come up, and we got to find ways to find resources and maneuver around the things that happen to us in life. And I really, really, really want to be upset about the food stamps, y'all, but I'm trying my hardest to trust God and what he has in store for me and what's next. Because at the end of the day, where I am is not where I want to be, though I'm not where I've been. You know, I've continuously made progress over the years, and I'm getting there, you know, and it's a few things that I need to switch up to expedite that for myself. But yeah, like it's really a bummer, y'all. Somebody really just took, you know, all my food stamps, and that was all the money, you know, that I had planned to buy food with for me and my daughter. But now I gotta come out of our housing fund to try and make sure we can eat. I ain't even got our refrigerator yet, y'all. I still have our bags and stuff sitting on the counter because we were supposed to go get dressers this weekend, but you know, now I'm gonna have to come out of food money, and so some things are gonna have to get moved around. I'm still waiting on my car to get down here, so I can't make any money yet, but God is gonna provide, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm in position to receive every blessing that he has for me, because by the end of this year, I will not be in the same position. I will not be in the same position. I've been in a cycle of being extremely profitable in my trading and then being extremely unprofitable. And that's not a matter of strategy. That's a matter of mindset. That's a matter of you making the money and then, you know, you blow it for whatever reason because you have these senses and the urges of greed that come over you and make you feel like, nah, let me just trade again. Let me just trade again. When in reality, you know what your stats are as a trader and if you should or should not take a trade. And so that's really what I've been battling with, you guys. You know, I feel like my whole life that I've always wanted to have more, and the need to have more makes me be greedy in the market, because I have an excellent strategy. You know, my strategy is tested, proved, you know, but it's really just my mindset in regards to taking trades that have nothing to do with my strategy. You know, I've made over $30,000 in the market, and you know, I just want to maneuver my money better, make better decisions. And so over this next month, when I'm withdrawing money out of the market and we're taking these trades together, I'm just going to be focusing on making what a person would reasonably make at a job, which I think is about $300 a day. And just go from there, because I feel like for me, trading my own personal account, I need to build up the capital because the lot sizes that I want to use, they're sometimes just too big. It's never really the trade. Like, I can honestly say, like, it's never really the trade in my case because most of my trades are profitable. However, due to over leveraging or over trading, you still find yourself negative in the market because sometimes you get in a trade over leveraged and it's taking out positions, which is taking out money because you're over leveraged, but not because the trade is losing. And then by the time it does go back in your favor, there's only $2 and it's going at 10 cents per pip. And so that's just really a lot of my problem. And I'm just being honest with you guys, and maybe I can help somebody, you know, while I'm talking to you guys about this, because it's not nothing I'm embarrassed about because I'm an excellent trader. I have an excellent strategy. However, you need to have the mindset to be in the market. And that mindset tells you when you should and should not take trades, when you are and when you are not being greedy, when you should and when you should not hold. And so all of those things are just things to take into account. But thank y'all for staying tuned for this video and me and my daughter's journey out here in this new state, as we travel and I work on becoming the best trader that there is, and you know, also just the best mother that I can be by upgrading myself, taking care of my health. We about to get back in our fitness. My daughter has school tomorrow. I will be vlogging. I'm not sure if I'll be doing weekly vlogs or daily vlogs. We're just gonna see how that works out for me. No pressure, you right? We just living our life and we vlogging to let you guys come along, you know, no really rhyme or reason. You know, I just want to help somebody while I help myself. And I believe talking to people about the things I'm inconsistent on will help me be consistent with them, because sometimes when I see my comments on YouTube, you know, you guys remind me of where I come from and also help me to remember that there's still more to learn. There's still places to go. So don't get stressed out about the now when you know the future holds something great. But that's all I got for this vlog, and I will see y'all in the next one.